Hey, what's up, everybody? Will silver and gold prices pop or drop today, or the other possibility is just drag along sideways? That is a good question. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please hit that thumbs up button on the video. But today is the final of the two-day meeting for the FOMC, where they get together, they meet, and they discuss. And then Jerome Powell has a press conference at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time today to announce the decision. Are they going to raise the federal funds interest rates or keep interest rates unchanged? It'll be very interesting to see. But let me know in the comment section below, which way do you think the interest rates are going to go? Will they stay unchanged? Will interest rates be increased when Jerome Powell takes that podium today on November the 1st, 2023 at approximately 2 p.m. Eastern time this afternoon? According to the CME Group FedWatch tool, there's a 99.2% chance that rates will stay unchanged. It'll be very interesting to see if that is correct. Let's take a look at the silver and gold spot prices real quick, as markets just recently opened today on November the 1st, 2023. Gold is up just a little bit. It's up $3 in the green to $1,987.30. And silver is down just a little bit, down 8 cents to $22.85. Platinum is down a little over 1.25%, down 1.28%, or down $12 to $932. And palladium is up a little bit, up a little more than 0.25%, or up $4 to $1,150. I would like to reference this article by Kitco News and Niels Christensen. This article was just published this morning on November the 1st, 2023 at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Time. The headline is gold prices holding firm within striking distance of $2,000 as U.S. ADP says 113,000 jobs created in September. Disappointing for the third straight month. Now, what is disappointing to us, in my opinion, the Federal Reserve likes, as it is looking to cool down inflation. The U.S. labor market continues to cool as the private sector created fewer jobs than expected in September, missing expectations for the third consecutive month, according to private payrolls processor ADP. Wednesday, ADP said that 113,000 jobs were created last month. The data missed expectations as economists were looking for jobs gained around 149,000. We are seeing a steepening decline in jobs this month, said Neela Richardson, chief economist of ADP. Additionally, we are seeing a steady decline in wages in the past 12 months. The gold market is not seeing much reaction to the disappointing employment numbers. However, it is holding within striking distance of $2,000 an ounce. December gold futures last traded at $1,994.20 an ounce, roughly unchanged on the day. Along with weak job growth, wages are also declining sharply. The report said that for workers who stayed in their jobs last month, their wages saw an annual increase of 5.7%, marking the 12th straight month of slowing growth. At the same time, workers who changed their jobs saw their wages shrink, increasing 9%, down from September's increase of 9.7%. According to analysts, The growing slack in the labor market makes it easier for the Federal Reserve to leave rates unchanged when it announces its monetary policy decision later in the day. Although markets do not expect the U.S. Central Bank to raise interest rates, it is expecting to maintain its restrictive monetary policy for the foreseeable future. Now, that's something that I have spoke about on this channel several times because I have listened to pretty much all of Jerome Powell's speeches. Every time he takes that podium, walks up to that podium, and he announces what his plan is going to be, whether he raises interest rates or leaves rates unchanged. His speech is pretty much the same scripted speech every time, with the exception of substituting a few words here and there and a few lines here and there. Jerome Powell usually says, and I may not have this quote exactly 100% right, but he says monetary policy is expected to be restrictive for some time. What does some time mean? I don't know. But in a lot of his press conferences, he does say that they are expecting to cut interest rates slowly, possibly starting in 2024. I believe the expectation is slowly cutting interest rates somewhere in the middle of 2024. But while still remaining over 4% and then continue cutting in 2025. Will he? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. All right, those were some of my thoughts. Now back to the article. In an industry by industry breakdown of the employment outlook, the goods producing sector created 6,000 jobs last month. The natural resource and mining sector lost 1,000 jobs. The construction sector created 4,000 jobs in September, and the manufacturing sector created 3,000 jobs last month. Meanwhile, the service sector saw a total jobs gain of 107,000. Trade, transportation, and the utility sector saw growth of 35,000 jobs last month. The information sector hired nobody in September. That's pretty interesting. You hardly ever see where there's no movement in one particular sector, but they said nobody in September. Financial services created 21,000 new positions. Professional businesses service saw a decline of 10,000 jobs. 45,000 jobs were created within the educational health services sector, and leisure and hospitality sector created 17,000 jobs in September, and other services saw a loss of 1,000 jobs. I'll put a link to everything that I spoke about in this video, the article that I referenced from Kitco News and Niels Christensen. I will also put a link in the description of this video to the CME Group FedWatch tool. Before ending this video, let's check them silver and gold and precious metals spot prices one more time. Gold is currently up $4.30, or almost 0.25% to $1,988.60. Silver is down almost 0.25%, or down 4 cents to $22.89. Platinum is down a little over 1%, or down 1.07%, down $10 to $934. And palladium is up, not down, it is up almost 0.75%, up $7 to $1,153. And rhodium is unchanged, $4,650. I do appreciate everybody for watching. Let me know in the comments section below, what do you think Jerome Powell will do? Maybe you're watching this video after 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time and the decision has already been made. Let me know in the comments section below. In that case, what did Jerome Powell do, and what is the current silver and gold spot prices as you are watching this video. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.